How's it going, everyone? This is the Sony A6700, and today we are doing an unboxing of it to see what's everything included in the original packaging, and then we're going to try a lens on it. So obviously we got all of our instruction manuals and stuff, which I'm sure you don't care about, so we'll put those aside, and let's go ahead and have a look. And we'll see, first off, we'll look at the main event here, the camera itself. We'll take that off. And there we have it from the front right there, looking very, very nice. And then we look at it on the back. We have our nice flip out and swivel screen right there, and get the dust off of it right there. But very, very nice. We look at it from the side. We've got our SD card slot. And from here, we have our micro HDMI and the headphone jack. And up here, we should have our microphone and USB-C. There we go. Microphone USB-C. And on the bottom right here, we have our battery door. Very, very nice. And then on the back, you can just see all the different details and stuff if you're interested to see right there on the top as well. And our switches. This little piece right here is a little cover that comes out, so that covers your hot shoe right there. We got the individual record button, on off switch, and obviously we got our little strap holders right there for it. But let's go ahead, we'll put the camera down for a second. Oh, we have also on this side, oh yeah, that's that side I showed you already, our USB and microphone. Let's see what else we have in here. We've got the camera strap itself. It's not like a leather strap, it's just a nylon strap, so it's nothing too crazy. You might want to get a better customized strap for it. And then we'll pull out this stuff right here. Not too sure what this is, but let's have a look at what's included here. And this is we've got the little rubber eye cap piece, so this will attach right onto here. So we'll go ahead and put that on. There we go. That was easy to put on, looks good. So we'll put that aside for a second. And then there's nothing else in the box besides this right here, which is our battery for it. And the battery model right there, MPFZ100, if you're interested in knowing that. But we'll go ahead and install the camera battery right here. We'll put that in that way. Looks good. And then we're going to go ahead and install the Sigma 10 to 18 millimeter f2.8 lens on here. My brand new lens for it. And we'll go ahead and push that button. And there's our inside with our sensor. You don't want to leave that exposed for too long. We'll go ahead, align the dot right there and the dot on the camera itself. And that just clicks right in very, very nicely. Go ahead and pop that open, but there it is, looking very, very nice. I'm loving the look of this camera. Comment down below if you're going to pick one of these up. Very, very nice.